Good morning, everyone. It is everyone's favorite day of the week. It is Saturday once again. I'm very excited about it. If you can tell, I gave myself a little haircut last week. What's going on here? I don't know. Guess it's just gonna go over there. I have no idea. But yeah, I gave myself a little haircut last week because it was getting way too long to look good, like at all. So yeah, I chopped off probably about a couple inches, not too much at all, but just to, it's like right above my boobs now, to where before it was below them. But I wanted to start off this vlog with a little unboxing because I ordered something that I have been wanting for such a long time and I finally got it. So let me get a knife, and by a knife, I mean a broken box cutter. But we have been in the house now for, it still hasn't been a month. February 6th will be like an actual month. We've been in here for, has it only been 2 weeks? Yeah, it hasn't even been 3 weeks yet. So we moved January 6th and yesterday was the 20th. So yesterday was 2 weeks exactly. That's insane, but we're loving this place. It's incredible. I'm actually hosting my first D&D game over here today, which I am literally so excited about. I wanted to host the D&D game 2 weeks ago on the 7th, technically, like the day after we moved in, but I did not take into consideration that I would be literally devastated. Like, I've probably never been that tired in my life. That didn't happen, and plus we didn't have internet, so it would have been kind of pointless for people to use their D&D Beyond. This is, if you can tell already what it is sunglasses. Ooh. Oh my God. This is a very sporty kind of experience. And here's the brand. And oh my God, these are cool. I mean, it should be for how freaking expensive they were. Wow, look at this presentation. It says, AHLEM offers heirloom quality eyewear that exists beyond trend in the belief that objects of immaculate design and craftsmanship are always relevant. Well, that's very nice. And then you can and then, oh, here is, oh my God, even the little cloth. Look at this. This is the coolest experience. The little cloth is a map. Santa Monica, Ocean Park, Venice. This is California, I assume. Yeah, it's LA. Beverly Hills, Bel Air. That's cool. So I love that little cloth. And then here's the actual sunglasses case. Oh my God, and they come in their own little dust bag. Oh no. Look at these. Are you joking? Oh my God. I am obsessed with these. Look at these. These are the Quai, Q-U-A-I, Brinley sunglasses. And they're in this like beautiful, like coppery brown color. It's not rose gold, it's like a coppery brown, and then the actual shades are like the same, coppery brown. We hope you enjoy this wearable work of art. Yeah. Made in micro batches, your frames are produced in a unique colorway that will never be recreated. These are insane. And these looks very summertime to me, so this is one of the reasons why I wanted to get them. Oh man. Yeah, that's my little unboxing that I wanted to do this morning with you guys. I do need to edit a video because I do need to post today. So I'm gonna be doing another unboxing. By the time this vlog goes live, you will have already have seen the other unboxing. But yeah, I'm actually about to edit this unboxing and I'm gonna post it today. So yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. Oh my God, you're still asleep? Good morning. Good morning, baby. Good morning. Let's go outside. Come on, babies. Right, it is later now and I finished editing my video. That's done. It is set to go live here in a little bit. It's still uploading, but it should be done here shortly. There is half an avocado that I have in the fridge and I hope it's still good. I'm sure it is. I mean, technically, I think it'll be fine. Maybe I just can like scrape off the top bit. I think it'll be fine though. Thought that I would do like a little get ready with me, like my makeup. I haven't done anything like that in so long. I also don't have a light up here, so I apologize if the lighting is like really bad. I just wanted to start off with like a little bit of primer. I'm not gonna go through like every single step because like I'm not a makeup channel anymore. For foundation, as of late, I have been using this Chanel Le Beige, this right here, and I like this a lot. It's kind of like a, not a tinted moisturizer, it's like a tiny bit thicker than that, but it's not very like high coverage or anything, just because I don't really do high coverage. I never did very heavy coverage makeup anyways, but that's just what I've been liking as of recently. Is that better? I hope so, because it was just really bad. Anyways, I'm doing concealer now. And we're done. Let me take you to a place to where I can like give you a better shot, I guess. Here we go, and here's the makeup. Very simple. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. I'm going to film some TikToks. I've been posting every single day, twice a day on TikTok recently, so go follow me over there if you have not already. And yeah, I will see you after I get done filming those. All right, we are making, he's got a TikTok song stuck in his head. The pretty girls walk like this. Anyways, now we're making lunch. We actually saw on TikTok, or I saw on TikTok, a video of this girl making spring onion noodles. And it's like green onion noodles, spring onion noodles, and I thought it looked really, really good. So we're making it. And we have soba, buckwheat noodles, a shit ton of spring onions, dark soy sauce and light soy sauce, sugar, and then I've got my pot over here that will boil shortly. But yeah, I actually made it the other day. Me and Raph both did, and I ended up hating the noodles because I used a rice noodle instead of like a wheat noodle. So I ended up not liking it. I like rice noodles sometimes, like inside of spring rolls or something, but by themselves, I don't love them. But I think that I will like it a lot more with these noodles because I liked the flavor last time. But yeah. This is lunch. Okay, here we go. It's kind of a mess because I forgot to film, but it's so much better than the other day. It really is a lot better. We got a little green onion on top. The noodles are better.
Yeah, it's much better. Buckwheat.
And then good morning again. It is now Sunday, and last night with D&D, it was so much fun. We had a great time. but the kitchen is a little bit of a mess now. So I'm just gonna take you with me to clean up the kitchen. A lot of things that are in the dishwasher that need to come out of the dishwasher. And then I have like all of this stuff right here to put in the dishwasher. So let me just take you along with me while I clean. I want to show you my outfit for today, and we're about to go get lunch with my parents. And I've got on this white top from Aritzia, just tucked into my Victoria Beer jeans. I have my belt on from Celine, and then I'm not wearing these Uggs, but I just have them on right now. And then I've got on my coat from Abercrombie & Fitch, and then my new little Marc Jacobs tote bag. I'm just gonna top handle it today, very cute. So that's the fit.